This video reviews the installation process of a cistern at the office of the San Antonio River Authority. A concrete pad is needed to support the weight of the cistern and the water. All vegetation is removed from the pad area and the earth is compacted. Forms, structural rebar, concrete, and finish are installed at the site. The cistern is built in place and anchored to the concrete pad. The cisterns are then connected with the roof gutters. Pipe connections are made to the inlet, outlet, and overflow. All openings are protected with vector screens. Rock is placed around the overflow and outlets to protect from erosion. A first flush diverter collects the first flush of runoff to prevent rooftop particulates from entering and accumulating in the cistern. The overflow is directed to planted areas, fire retention features, or other vegetated areas. Prior to a rain event, the cistern outlet valve is set to empty the cistern within 48 to 72 hours. Our cisterns at Sarah drain into our bioretention cells, which help to filter runoff before it reaches the San Antonio River.